how's the market doing out there last 30 days or so? What are you guys seeing, feeling, hearing?
For us on the international side, it's actually picked up a little bit compared to that second quarter going into the third quarter here, coming up here pretty quick. We've seen actually an inbound of more freight. Especially imports into the U.S., kind of what's happened on the economic side, people trying to get that cargo into the ports.
Yeah, I saw California container volumes kind of spiked in July, didn't they?
Yeah, record highs, and I anticipate that to continue to happen, for kind of what's going on the economic side of the, political world.
So when's that front end loading going to end? What's the timetable for when you expect to see that kind of
That's a great question. As I saw, it looks like they, on the tariff side, they extend another 90 days, with China, which is a big one. Right now, the biggest trade partner, one of the biggest trade partners with the U.S. is the EU, that Germany, and they're starting to come off of what they call as holiday. A lot of people are shut down, kids are out of school, that kind of stuff. They shut down their lines of operations, their manufacturing, so I anticipate that to even come here September is going to bounce back up, and we're going to start seeing an influx of freight, especially on that East Coast side.
Is that a normal seasonal kind of thing over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.